Well, we are in the midst of summer and in the middle of hurricane season. So of course we have to make the traditional New Orleans cocktail, the Hurricane. And it only requires 3 ingredients: dark rum, passion fruit juice, and lemon juice. Let's start with some ice in our glass. And ice in a shaker. Now we want to add 1 ounce of lemon juice, 1 ounce of passion fruit juice, and 2 ounces of dark rum. We're going to shake it, get it nice and cold, and there is the traditional Pat O'Brien Hurricane cocktail. Now let's garnish this. I'm going to use an orange and maraschino cherries. Use a nice slice of orange and a cherry. And there we have our garnish. The traditional Pat O'Brien Hurricane. Wow, isn't that beautiful? Well, let's give it a taste. Oh, that's going to make for a very happy weekend. And I'll see you poolside. If you love this cocktail, please give the video a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, tap the subscribe button and follow me on Instagram. Bye.